Hey everybody, it's CreativeSarah here, and today we're gonna make a pretty decent shelf sitter. This one is going to say, our house may be dirty, but so are the martinis. And it's gonna be so quick, so easy. We're just gonna use one of our 5x7 palette frames, a sanding block, sandpaper, or a sander like I'm gonna use, your stencil, and some of our black chalk paste with a squeegee. That's it. So to get started, we're gonna do our sanding. So I have my sander here, and I'm just gonna go around the edges and get it really roughed up. All right, I've got, this is very distressed. Can you see that? Yeah. Playing with some different lighting here. All right, so very distressed. Now, we're gonna go ahead and wax this. Because we don't want any of this distressed finish to come off and stick to our stencil that's very sticky on the back. Ooh, smooth as butter. Love it. Here comes the easy part. Let's get our transfer and fuzz it. I'm just labeling the back of sheet. Here we go. And I'm going to center this amongst all of the distressing and really make sure it's pressed down. These are very skinny, fine silkscreen areas, so I want to make sure that my chalk paste goes right through and doesn't bleed. If you're new, go ahead and comment the word VIP in the comments, and I will send you a welcome message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group to get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Carefully peel it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Very minimal work goes into this, and it's gonna make a huge difference. It's gonna make like a real beautiful change to wherever you put this, on a shelf, at your bar, on a in your kitchen, anywhere. In a little nook. You know, you just have that one little place that you need something. Very simple, very easy to do, trendy, and these, let me hold this up for you. Isn't that cool? Just so cool. Guys, if you haven't checked out my club, go ahead and comment club. I'll get you all the information. And if you have been thinking of becoming a designer like me, check it out. I encourage you. It's an amazing time right now to jump over to my side. You're going to get an instant 40% discount on all of your orders. So if you're making things to sell, what a great way to earn a little bit of money. Money, money, money. You know what's coming up. I know it's still summer, but Christmas is coming. So we need to start putting some pennies in that savings jar so that we can shop for all of our people. But anyway, I am happy to help you answer questions. You could reach out to me or type team, TEAM, right in the comments, and I will get you some information about becoming a designer. It's a great time to do it. All right, you guys, have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow. Bye, everybody.